Hi everyone, it's me again, Ellie. If you don't know me, I like to review products, services, and also I go to places and I rate them. So, if you are new to my channel, please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and also comment any suggestion that you can make to make my channel improve. So in today's video, we're going to make a summer look using most most NYX products. So I've been using this NYX our next makeup for a couple of years. I use a lot of makeup as well. So today we're just gonna make a natural summery look. We're gonna start with like usual process, but it should not take long. So if you're interested, please stay and watch me do the tutorial. Okay, so first what we are going to do is uh, put a primer. I'm gonna use the NYX pore filler because I have big pores. There you go. Excuse me for my nails again. Don't have time for that. So let me just get my headband, turban or headband. All right. So I already cleaned my face, moisturize it, and put sunblock on it. I drop. So I'm just gonna put that most. Next, I'm gonna use the NYX lips lift and snatch. So I'm just gonna put this like this. Yeah, just here, short. Okay, and just to take out I will put I will conceal first before I put the other layer. So I have pimples on my neck because of I keep wearing mask at work. It's for protection, so I had many on my chins, pimple scars there, and one pimple here. Just a little, just take that out. So I like it to do concealer first before the foundation. So I'm using this to spray on my beauty blender. Just blend, slowly. use the Tinted Skin Veil. I like to use this just not for heavy makeup day. It's just like for a light makeup day. I like to use this one. Like you just want to look fresh and like, you know, natural look makeup. So I already blended. It sticks on my face. I'm just gonna spray a little setting spray. There you go. And I'm gonna put this Sweet Cheeks. This is a blush mousse in the from the color of Almost Famous. It's like orange tan color, which I like. So I'm gonna put it here. Meow. Look like a cat. There. My nose. So you might wondering I put on my nose. The blush will go there. Yes, girl, it will go there to my nose. See? Looks so cute. So I love that. I really love this blush, especially this summer. Oh my god. Here, I'm gonna put it here. So I'm just gonna curl my lashes. Let me just apply a little bit on there. Oops, oh. Girl, I don't have lashes. So, then I'm gonna put some highlights on my face. Where's my brush here? Just go like that. So what I'm gonna do, because I put already that blush, I'm just gonna put the highlights here. Doesn't show the white thing here. And a little shimmer. I like to do my with my finger, just to give my nose a little shade there. Okay, so I use this one, and I'm just gonna hide some here to make my nose smaller because I have a big nose. So I'm gonna use this color. Just to hide that thing there. Okay. Here and crack it down. Okay. One more. I'm gonna put this side to make it deeper. Put this side. There we go. And just a little contour, not really much because we're going for a natural summer look. So the same color for my skin. This is perfect. Here. And this jaw here. Contour brush. Okay. I'm just gonna cut my chip. This thing here to make it small. See? side too. Here. And my neck. So I put my contour here just to give illusion I have a long neck. And there we go. Then on the side. And the side. There we go, girl. A little eyeliner. I'm gonna use the FLUFF next eyeliner. I'm not gonna use it in my eyebrow because I'm happy with my eyebrow. Am I? Yeah. It looks different though. Here in person, it's dark, but in camera, no. I'm gonna fix that later. So I'm just gonna make a little shadow here. So I'm gonna use the powder puff. The color is Teenage Dream. Just gonna put it here. Come on, get out from your shell. There you go. And I'm getting the hot pink liner. Yeah, where is it? There you go. This is the color hot pink. Some weird I do. See by Petra. I got it from my IPSY bag. I forgot which month, but this is really nice. It has a minty scent, and also it gives you that puffiness on your lips. Thank you so much for watching and watching. My Filipino accent is going out now. I see you in my next video, and I hope you will check my other video, like a review about my a just for Kira contact lens. I'm wearing the crystal brown right now, so if you want to check that out, please check in my description box, and you get the chance to win contact lenses. So see you in my next video, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, support my channel, help me grow, please. All right, bye bye guys, bye bye beautiful.